Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with IES Abroad for global learning opportunities, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with IES Abroad for global learning opportunities, start by visiting the official IES Abroad website. On the home page, navigate to the Programs section. Explore the variety of study abroad programs available in multiple countries. Identify the program that aligns with your academic and professional goals. Click on the program link to access detailed information, including course offerings and location specifics. Next, locate the Apply Now or Request Information button. Fill out the required fields to express your interest in the selected program. You may need to create an account or log in if you're a returning user. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation or follow-up message from IES Abroad. Once you receive communication, take the time to review any attached materials or links. Consider scheduling a virtual meeting or phone call with an IES Abroad advisor. During this meeting, ask specific questions about the program, funding options, and application process. After your discussion, take notes on important deadlines and additional requirements. Begin gathering necessary documentation, such as transcripts and letters of recommendation. Fill out the application form thoroughly. If needed, prepare for any interviews as required by the program. Pay attention to the scholarship opportunities available through IES Abroad. Complete and submit your application before the deadline to ensure consideration. Once accepted, review the pre-departure information provided. Stay connected with IES Abroad through their social media channels for updates and tips. As your departure date approaches, follow any additional instructions provided by IES Abroad. Prepare for your journey by researching your host country and its culture. Finally, embrace the global learning opportunity and make the most of your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.